guys, now this is the last Dendrobium nobile type that I'm going to repot it now, guys. And I got the packing peanuts here, or if you don't have packing peanuts, just use the styrofoam anyway, because I run out of that, so I just keep the styrofoam. This one already dried with hydrogen peroxide and it's pretty clean. And also I got this clean up stuff already, which is cool. I already cleaned this up. It's the new batch and it's not warm anymore because it's been too long. But I wait until I upload the video that I get here. Now we have to get this part here. This one got two growth right, and got still very nice healthy roots, and in the other side here they're all new roots actually, and I cut all the matured roots, and they are cutting anyway, they are halfway cut, so I cut them. As long as you got too many roots in this, even if you don't have roots in this, it's still coming back, keep coming back on you. That is the dendrobium for you, and they're really nice, very easy to taking care with. So I want to deal with this, so I have to push this one in the bottom here, so I got more stuff and more space for the new growth coming right here, because here I don't know how long this one gonna stay or new growth, but as of now I have to attend this, so I have to push this in the corner like this, guys. So you can see quite deep, this one. It's perfect though because they are taller, so you can see very taller dendrobium thing. Focus in here, adjust the camera a little bit for you guys to see. And I'm gonna push this lecca bits now, and I just keep doing this until I finish this, guys. Make sure I don't get too much with this roots here. Just gotta put this one here so I can see what I'm doing. There you go, guys. They're quite longer to peel. So if I got new of this, bit quite taller, maybe 10 inches or so, I'm gonna order them more. I probably disturb this again or transfer it because I don't have to hold this one here. Easy for it to do. So this one we're gonna even cut this a little bit. Okay, guys. There you go. See, I'm gonna show you this here. See, this is how much I feel this now. This is how much I feel them. Actually, I'm gonna get this a little bit more, I think. Hope you can see what I'm doing, guys. Got me right this. Okay. It kind of the new growth is just really can't get in, like really a lot that I put. So I'm gonna undo this a little bit, I think, and make sure I don't do damage the new growth carefully, as long as you can. Okay. And also put this smaller one actually. If I recall, let's see now. See what I mean, guys? It's too big, and I will definitely not transfer this one if I get new pots. The white one. As of now, I just put this one here. Should be fine. And this is going like that. So again, I'm going to give this straight up with a bit of this. I'm going to do like this because I don't have a stick right now, not available somewhere else. I'm gonna get this the desired amount that I want, maybe here and here together, just tiny bit. Okay, so when you finish the desired amount, you cut this one and put these things here on a cup, and then it's click, and that's the one it's cut. There you go. That's the one I needed, the size of it. Just look at this one, it goes right in the other side. So I don't want that, I want to go straight up. Only a little bit. Just for a while until they get used to it. Not too tight though. Otherwise you don't have a space for them to keep moving. We love to dancing in the air, especially with the wind. Okay, and let's just do that right now. Okay, I'm just gonna adjust here. There you go. Yep. There you go, guys. I think this one just goes in the other side wasting. It's okay. This is our finished product, guys. I just didn't put too much of this lecca bits because I don't want to suffocate my little baby here. I'm doing my growth here. Now I'm gonna show you all together what I've done with this, so you have no idea what I am talking about. Let's go in the other area, guys, where I can show you all. There you go, guys. Here is the 4 of my dendrobium that I made earlier. These 2 are the first one. This one got a hole in here and tiny bit of water in the bottom. And here, the other one are the same one as well. Tiny bit of water in the bottom. As you can see, it's really nice, this clear one, because you can see that the other root is already saying hello and go after the water in the bottom. That's why I put only a tiny bit on this, because I just really want to notice what they are doing. And yeah, you'll see, I'll update to you guys, and I'll definitely put the name of this Dendrobium nobile type, and I'm gonna put the date when we started it. Today it's first week of December. Okay, and that one I just put this one here just for the decoration purposes, but I make sure they have still a little bit of gap so more air can get through in this. Anyhow, there is a hole on it too, so yeah, I don't have to worry about it. And this one here, I've got bigger pots. I think that's 8.5 inches, I believe. This nice clear orchid container. I really love it, but I'm gonna order more of this because I kind of ran out already. And here she is. I put the ties on it together just to hold him a bit for now. And yeah. And this one, because they don't have water on this, and also I put in the bottom with what do you call it, packing peanuts or styrofoam, other name. Well, I just put some kind of saucer like this, but this is fairly big saucer. I'm gonna find this just bit smaller saucer, little bit bigger than the size of my pots. And in the bottom you can put the lava rock, the one that I have, or you can buy the decoration rocks, a nice colorful one. Maybe that's what the one I'm gonna looking next when I'm going to a garden center. I'll see. For now, if you don't have anything, you can put river rocks, or you can put the lava rocks, or anything that can get up on the top, elevate a little bit, and then I can put water here. And if it's really so hot during the summer, I put the water here, so if it happens, if you put water here, it absorbs all the moisture here on the inside, on the top. So yeah, that's the one make them happy. And also probably I'm gonna put water them too. That's why I take it like that. And this got water, but because I ran out this bigger size of pots, I put this in my same video one. And yeah guys, it's hole everywhere. That's the one I love it. So yeah, I just tie this up, put together, so they were gonna together. If I got steak, if I'm gonna find my steak soon, I'm just gonna stick this up and put this tied up, so they gonna go nice and straight up. And also I got these two little one here, the keiki one. So yeah, same thing. I'm gonna find some lava rocks or some decoration bed. I'm gonna put like that elevate. So I'll put some water somewhere, not this bottle, a little bit like this saucer one, so it's good. And we're gonna have some water in the summer. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a lot of absorbed in these things and knowledge that I pass to you guys. Enjoy, and I hope to see you next time. Happy gardening. And it's orchid lover again here, or plant lover here from Australia, or M's team. Thank you so much once again for watching, and I hope to see you all again next time guys. Here is the closer look of what we done today with our Dendrobium nobile type that repotted right now. They're finally in their own home, happy and looking really good at the moment. I'm really hoping I'm gonna put some steak this one too with the new one, so we're not going like that part. I want them to get straight up, but I'll see. I'll train them. Thank you so much once again guys, and I hope to see you all again next time very soon. Happy gardening, happy growing, and happy watching. Bye for now. Orchid lover again in Australia. See you later. Bye bye. Enjoy watching this guys. Just gonna focus this to you in the last moment before I turn this off. Okay. Jeez, she got really good leaves here. Nice shiny one too. See you soon everyone. Bye. Take care.